Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core game not launching or not opening, showing black screen around PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, you have to go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option. Now search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game. Under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to run the game as administrators. For that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage and now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, then come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. So website domains go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Now click on it and wait for some time. Now after you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to close background apps. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background processes tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select all those apps, right click on it, click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on its system, you are suggested to disable it and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If the issue still continues, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core game and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.